I don't know what's going on with Snowman over there, but this is Snowman. Tiny head is gone, and I don't know. He looks really creepy. I don't know, you guys. Let me know about Snowman. Here he is. We shall see if he lasts. Oh my gosh. Whew. Hi and welcome. If you are new here, my name is Melissa and I love to sew, hence my new sewing machine. Isn't she beautiful? Therefore, I upload sewing related videos like this one. If you are a returning subscriber, what's up and happy December. I am not a holiday person. I decided to wear green today mostly because of like the Grinch. It is the Simplicity 5555. I always get called the Grinch around this time, so I was like, I might as well just own it and rock it. Not a fan of this month, you know? So let's go ahead and get started with my calendar and enjoy. All right, goodbye November, goodbye. I always like erase these before I write down all the things that I completed, but nevertheless, here we go. Welcoming December with all its coldness. It's not even that cold here. It's barely raining, but I'm not a fan of winter. Drawing some Christmas trees and a snowman. December, what do we have forward to look in December? So it's going to be my daughter's birthday in December. My best friend's birthday was actually on the 1st. My sister's birthday is on the 16th. There's Christmas, Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve. There's a lot going on in December, which is fine. You know, I don't like it when it's crazy busy because then I have to do like things for other people. And I'm a little bit selfish. I like to do things for me, okay? If I feel like doing it, I'll do it. If I don't, then I don't. And I never feel like Christmas, so I forget that we're supposed to celebrate it, you know? So, again, as always, we put Savers 50% off. I'm still keeping my system of recording Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and editing Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then trying to upload on Wednesday. It's working great for me. I still put my measurements up here on the left upper corner. And then I also put some things about YouTube. I am taking it super easy this month. I will probably do a couple story times this month. It'll be very exciting. But I'm uploading 4 videos, but I am only making a goal to sew 3 patterns, and I'll talk about that later. And then on the corner I'll put my the things that I have completed, and hopefully I will stop erasing them eventually before I write them down. And the quote for this month is actually, work as hard as Vegeta, but don't envy or compete with Goku, because this month I get very, very down. Therefore, I just want to make sure that I remain grateful and I remind myself of all the blessings that I have, and I'm grateful to be here and I appreciate everybody. I just get in a funk in December, and I do apologize, but thank you. Now that you saw my calendar, you basically know that I'm basically gonna just take it easy this month. If you hear my washer and dryer, just know that I am cleaning. I am trying to multitask and do a few things while I record. For the most part, I know that I only upload 1 video a week. Sometimes I upload 2 depending on the time that I have, but I always try to make the goal of at least 1 video a week just so that I can stay consistent. What did I sew for the month of November? I'm always surprised at the end of every month for all the things that I have sewn, simply because like I always feel like I'm not sewing enough. You know, I always feel like I'm not dedicating enough time to my sewing. I always feel like it's never enough, or not in a bad way, but there's just so much that I want to give to my sewing. So it's never enough in my eyes. And every time at the end of the month, I'm like, whoa, I've actually like sewn quite a lot, which is awesome. Hence another reason why I enjoy doing these videos. So I'm not gonna go in any order. Some of the things that I will show, if you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen them. The first thing though that I'm going to start with is the Simplicity S8982. I sewed this top, but I made it at a cropped length, at least like a mid crop length, because I am short. You guys know this. If you've been watching me, you know that I'm pretty short. I just have a very wide figure. So this, I sewed the top, but I made it at a crop length. I didn't do the skirt because I always feel like a nun in pencil skirts unless they show thigh. And here is the top. I will put pictures, and I like it. My husband even liked it. My husband, you guys, liked something that I sewed. Usually he's like, oh, that looks weird. Oh, you look funny in that. But this time I made this top and he was like, oh, it's nice. That's a really nice top. And I'm like, yes, it's about time, you know? I mix about the collar. I don't like high collared stuff just because I have a very short neck. I'm short. Everything in my body is short. So because I have a short neck length, sometimes if I wear something like this, it just takes my neck away. So I think I am going to just make it shorter or switch the neck pattern piece just so that I could wear it a little bit more. The next one that I'm gonna go ahead and show is the Erin dress by Style Sew Me. You remember earlier this year I made a blue floral dress, and I do wear it out a lot. It's the #1 dress that gets the most compliments whenever I wear it out. I completely changed the dress, you know what I mean? So I've always wanted to make it again, but just size it down for my height and everything. So I did, and I made it in this fabric. And again, so far all of the fabrics that I'm showing you guys have been from Savers. So yeah, I made it in this. Showing it like this really does no justice, so I'll go ahead and show you guys a picture. And I ended up making it a little bit too short, and I have no problem showing my legs, my thighs. I'm short, therefore I like to show off the thickness where I have it. I don't like showing my booty though. Therefore, I did end up making the pattern a bit too short, so I'm gonna go ahead and just add about 3 or 4 inches to it just so that I can rock it and make it again. My husband even loved it. At first I tried it on and he was like, that looks weird. But then, I paired it with my leggings and my high knee boots, and I did my hair up, and a little necklace, and he was like, "Oh, you look cute. You look cute." Like, yeah, okay. That's what I thought. All right, moving on to my jacket. Yes, I made a jacket. It does no justice when it's hanging, but I did it, and it is the fabric again that I used was actually a curtain that I found at Savers. It's really comfortable. It gives me this 80s vibe. I really took the time and made sure that the inside was sewn on nicely. And I did this so that I could enter a So Thrifty challenge that was hosted on Instagram, and I'll put the person's name up here. So I made it to join the challenge, and I'm glad I did. And I used this pattern. I used Vogue 8617, and this is the jacket that I made right here. And you're supposed to use shoulder pads and all that stuff, but I didn't do that. I felt like there was no need. I like how it hangs and the bagginess from it. It's super cute, it's very stylish. Like, I don't know. When I wear it, I feel very bougie in it. You know what I mean? The next thing that I sewed is, I don't have it with me, but I sewed my daughter 2 of these sweaters, the S9019. I sewed my daughter two of this version, and then I sewed my sister a version, and I gotta actually size up because it fits my sister very, very well, so I gotta size up for her. And yeah, so I did view A. My mom actually really liked the sweater. She would like for me to sew my sister a couple more, so we will see. The next thing that I sewed is this, and it's the Simplicity 3584. I sewed my son 2 pairs of pajama pants. I don't have stretch material to make the little top out of. So the next one is this one, and you have, if you've watched my sew-alongs for this month, then you already know, and you've already seen me rock this one, and it's the Simplicity 8014. This pattern changed my confidence level when it came to sewing. It made me feel like, wow, I can sew, like I can, you know, I can sew, and that's how this one made me feel. For next time though, I will make a full arm adjustment, so I'll be excited to make an adjustment, and I'll be excited to sew this one with the flowy A-line skirt. I think that would look really cute, but I'll go ahead and show you some pictures. Alright, and the last one is this one, and it's the Macau's 8003. And I sewed this one, but it fits me a little bit big, so I am going to put it in the dryer for a little bit and see if that helps it shrink. If not, then I'll take it in. I sewed this one, and it's okay. It's alright. I'm not a fan of this pattern. I don't know, I'm not a fan of this pattern. I don't know what I was thinking when I purchased it, because now when I see it, all I see is a jigsaw puzzle. So I don't know why I purchased this pattern, but I did, and here it is, and I made this top, and because I sewed it, I'm gonna wear it even if I like it or not, because I put a lot of hard work into it, so I'll wear it. I will be making this pattern again though, just because it's a nice pattern. I like the top. I want to make more. Woo! So now that you guys saw everything that I sewed for the month of November, here are the 3 patterns that I'm just focusing on for the month of December. I am focusing on these pants. I went ahead and put a poll on my Instagram, and the majority voted on this pattern. So it's already cut out. I just need the fabric, and I want to make a muslin so that I can make all the adjustments that I need to. Most of the adjustments will probably be on the torso, and I just need to shorten everything there. I want it to be a bit fitted, like cigarette pants. Anyways, yeah, and the other 2 patterns is this. I still need to make my sister the penguin because my sewing machine had broke. So I still need to make my sister the penguin, and now my son wants the frog. My daughter wants a penguin. You know, my brother wants a penguin. So we'll see how much scrap fabric I can bust out of these, okay? And then I still have to sew my mom her Christmas tree. All of these 3, the patterns are all cut out. Everything's cut out. I just need to get the fabric for it. So I'm on a good start, and we shall see what happens. Let me show you guys a little something, okay? My dog is over there. But check this out. I purchased a bunch of sewing things. I purchased them on Craigslist off of somebody because they're just getting rid of everything. So stay tuned in a few days for the next video, and don't forget to make it a great day, week, and month so you can enjoy this rest of the year, because we're only a few weeks away and January starts, and the new spring collection for Simplicity is about to come. I really want to make the raincoat for Mimi G. That's gonna be me. That's my raincoat. I can't wait. But okay, you guys, bye. Oh my gosh, is anybody excited for the new Project Runway show? I'm excited. It starts December 5th. I hope it gets on Hulu the day after, so December 6th, because usually Hulu does the whole episodes things the day after. So I'm hoping it's on there. Let me know if it's going to be on Hulu. If you're watching it, don't tell me I'm just kidding. Tell me everything, but just let me know if you're excited for Project Runway. I'm very excited for the new season.